Hi, I'm G, and this is a devlog of my game called Death. I'm making this devlog to share my progress and also encourage people to game developing. Before getting into the video, I'm sorry that I didn't upload any videos for past 2 weeks. I was a lot busy back then. You know, I'm a computer science student and the lessons are pretty annoying. And I will probably be busy for the next 2 weeks, but after that I will come back and try to upload videos every week. You might find out that my voice is a bit deep. I got sick, so sorry for that too. And enough sorries, let's get into the video. I forgot to count days, but this is probably between day 24 and day 30. As for what we see on the screen it was a little experiment. I implemented a hood as you can see, but because the hood is too big, it was being hard to see if the enemy comes from the top or from the bottom. So I imported the cinema machine and tried to follow a character. The result was that, and I removed it. I know I overdo this, but it is not me who's broken again, so for the last time, please excuse me.
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go. Going new, and the search is a mystery. Standing on my feet.
I'm sorry, I promise this will be the last one. No more deja vus. But fortunately, this was not the only thing which is broken. All the ultimates, they all broke. So, what is the problem here? The ultimates was being called for each frame of their use times. So, instead of using one of them for 5 seconds, you're using hundreds of them for 10 seconds. To be honest, this is somehow actually beatable. After fixing all of them, I realized that we don't have an animation for all deja vu, so I made one. With the particles, it looks like this. And if you press the button 10 times like me, it turns into this. I remade the hitboxes for the character and the enemies. The reason for this is most of the parts of entities are being animated during the game, but the hitboxes were staying the same, so you are dying when you are not supposed to. With the no hitboxes, it won't be happening again. Okay, let's talk about the hood. So, in the top, there are 4 elements: kill counter, coin counter, combo counter, and timer. Except for combo counter, you can understand what they're doing easily, but the combo mechanic is a bit different. But it's also simple. If you kill 2 enemies between 0.3 seconds, then the combo counter will increase, and the indicators will come up. Each enemy will drop coins as much as combo count, and the counter can stack up to 5. So basically, if you kill them at once, you will get more coins. The game rewards you if you take the risk to keep them alive. The bottom is just a skill holder. You can see when the cooldown ends if you use the skill. The middle part is for Dash's cooldown, by the way. But I will probably change this skill holder in the future, because while playing such a fast game, sometimes you cannot look down for a moment. The thing which has broken was not just ultimates. All the buffs and debuffs were also bugged. So either you're shrinking to atomic levels, or getting as big as borders so no one can come in. And I finally changed the UI. This is just a prototype for now, so we have some animated buttons, and these animations really took so much time to make. They have some sound effects too. Moving on to the store, I added some custom made images to all the items. The skills have levels, so if you buy them, an indicator will come up and show you which level they will be leveling up to. When you buy an item completely, the image will change, and some items are locked. To unlock them, you have to buy some others first. The in-game menu has also remade with these buttons, but this won't be how it looks in the end, of course. Okay, that's all for this video. While this beautiful game plays in the background, I should say that Dash Through is near to the end. If I could find time to work on the game, it won't take so long to finish it. At least I think so. And for my future plans, the Ori and the Will of the Wisp is a perfect example. I want to build a platforming game which is fast and smooth like it. And that urge really makes me want to leave the current project I'm working on. But don't worry, I won't. It is really close to the end, and leaving it at that point would be a really foolish thing to do. And I'm actually having trouble about finding things that make it better in release. If you have any suggestions, please comment them below. For the next project, there is literally nothing as certain, and I don't know how the things will change with time. I don't know is my skills enough to animate a character like Uri, but we'll see that in time. If you don't want to miss that progress, please subscribe and leave a like. See you soon.